Yes, I'm Frank. Today I'm going to see an unboxing video. Today I'm going to unboxing a candle weight handle. The price of the product will be 299 rupees. It is a tea light holder. The product material will be iron and the product color will be yellow and blue. Just ask me the dimension of the product. The width will be 8 inch, depth will be 4 inch and the product height will be 6 inch. It is suitable for any room. Also it is perfect for interiors. Comes in a combo package. We can get two different tea light holder in a single package. The product built-in quality will be really nice. Even also this color will be brighter and attractive. There is a small drawback will be there in which this is a price. The price will be a little bit expensive when compared to this quality of this product, but overall it is a decent product in this segment. Finally, in the box you can see two different tea light holder. Guys, thanks for watching.